Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to input data into a spreadsheet and get some graphs so you can explore the results that you find, and you can make some statements and check your predictions from there. Rightio, so for this spreadsheet, I've got data for rolling 100 dice. So we'll just set it up like this. So we'll set it up like this, dice, then results, and there's 6 numbers on the dice, so rightio. And we'll just align those to the side there. Right, and to make this look good, just to get the title separated from the numbers, we'll just put an underline there. That was just that button there. Rightio. Now I've already got the data for this in this one here, so I'll go ahead and copy that. So we got 9, 28, 10, 18, 12, and 23. And 23. Alright, now we're just going to do a sum to see how many times we've rolled the dice. Just use the auto sum button on the top here after selecting all those. Right, so now you can see that we've rolled the dice 100 times, and these are the results that we got. Alright, now to show this in a bit more with a graph form, just highlight that. What you do is click the top one and just drag it down. Go up to insert up top here, and we'll put in the pie chart because that'll represent it nicely. So we'll do a pie chart here. See, there's not much information on there at the moment, so we want to just explore up here, see the different options, and I think we want a percentage and we want a legend and a title for this one, so we'll go ahead and do that. And the title can be 100 dice rolls. Rightio. So now you can see that we've got the pie chart here showing how many times we rolled the dice in the 100 times. So the blue one here is number 1, we rolled that 9% of the time. Number 2, we rolled that 28% of the time, and so on. That's the key there. Right, just to show it in a bit more of a graphical way, we'll do a bar graph. So in the same way, just click it and drag down, go back to insert and do a column, and we'll do a 2D column. Rightio. Blue doesn't look all that great, so we'll change the color for that. So just right click on one of the bars here, format data series, go down to fill, solid fill, and make it a red. I like red, so we'll leave it red. Alright, so we need a bit more information on here just to tell what we're doing. So we'll click up here, and we will put it onto that one there. That one there's good. It shows the numbers and how much. Don't really need a key for that one. And again for the title, we'll do 100 dice rolls. Rightio. So there's our spreadsheet. Now we've got a good graphical format of how this looks and how that looks in the pie chart form. Now you can see here that the average is about here, I'd say, with the thing, but you can see that there's a low number down here with a 9 and a high number up top here with 28. That's just the variance that chance can create. Alright, so if we go back to our first example we did in class the other day, this one here, we can see that it's a similar sort of thing. We can see that there's a high number here, and there's also a low number here where it's got 0 entries, and this one's been picked 9 times. Again, that's just the variance in chance. Rightio. So we see that the average here is 3.89. So basically, the average for how many times a ball will be picked out per number is about 3.89 times. That's over 45 balls and over 25 lotto draws. Right, so basically to make a prediction on this, we think we've got 45 balls, each with an equally likely chance of being picked. None is more likely than the other to be picked. And yeah, so we have an even chance to pick any number here. There's 7 numbers to choose from, so say if we were picking number 1, if we only had one number was chosen out of the 45, then we'd have a less likely chance. Now there's picking 7 numbers out of here, so we're going to have a bit more likely chance that our number is going to be picked. Not a more likely chance, not a likely chance, but it's a good chance it could be picked.